What's up, guys? Day 3 of our 2021 upgrade build on CADDY 96. Before we carry on with today's events and give you some content, please go and subscribe on our YouTube channel, and also go and like our Facebook page. And if you want, also go and like Delarey Racing Developments and Goldwagen Delarey Facebook pages. We're on both of those. And enjoy. Let me know if there's any more content you want to see, what you want to see. Go and comment, and let's have fun. Off to the build. Just a quick add-on to the video. It is currently Saturday afternoon. I did not upload a video Friday afternoon because we didn't get much done on the vehicle. There wasn't much content to put into the video. John carried on with a few small things on the vehicle while I went caliper hunting, which I did manage to find, as you will see in the videos following. Slowly but surely making progress with a lot of issues that we need to sort out and make things work. But thanks for watching. Check the videos following. So while I was away, Chandra managed to install the shifter fast. Got some decent plates in there and extenders to clear the tunnel. And then now, when I start pulling this, so that's currently first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay. Obviously all the way back again. Fifth, fourth, third, second, first. Okay. So that at least is one thing done. Glad it looks secure. Now we have to figure out handbrake. With the dummy motor now in place, gearbox in place, cables not connected. Now we can start measuring up for side shaft and lower gearbox mount. Also what we did is the tower needs to drop down around about 50 to 60 millimeters. A few ways we might be able to we're looking into what's the best way of doing this. So for now we have made the template. I have a CNC laser for plastics. So the easiest way for us, draw it up, get a Perspex one cut, just to see where we are and where the location is going to be. I can even do a dummy mock-up and mount a shock to this. Obviously I can't put the weight of the vehicle onto it, but it just gives me sort of idea of where we're heading and what we need to do. So Monday morning Chandra will start working on these towers for us and see how we're going to mount a plate. We most probably will use a 5mm plate. Then we can get rid of the aluminium adjuster section and we can just go straight to chassis with this. Caster we moved quite a bit back, as you can see, and we got quite a big adjustment on the camber side, and this will need to happen on both sides. He has also gone ahead and made a dummy control arm so we can get some locations when the carry goes in, and then we still need to do the back support to obviously stop it from floating around. But that's just a dummy unit just to get measured. Back to the brake situation. This is the old S3 caliper we used to run. Normal cast iron situation. I managed to find a set of Brembo Renault Megane R225 4-port calipers. Took my measuring tape with, measured them out, looked like they were going to fit perfectly. Came to the shop, onto my disc, it does not fit. But had a nice look at it. First problem we had, our S3 disc. The clearance of the caliper is in the car. The outside of the wheel was touching onto the face. So my normal disc needed to go. I have some Golf 5 GTI discs. Good thing about them, about 14mm lower, and that gave me enough clearance on the face to get away with this. Only problem with these is I have to re-PCD the holes to 5x100. no biggie, easy one to fix. Second problem that we were having is the radius of the caliper was right up against the wheel with no air gap whatsoever. We could have most probably fitted them and they would not have touched, but I mean, I think 0.1 millimeter is just not enough. So I first tried to do a radius on my Bridgeport with a radius bed. It was horrible. I hated it. Didn't work lekker. Finished with cuck. So I went to my CNC machine, drawn up a little dummy caliper, did some measurements, and we did these with 3-axis milling. So the finish are not perfect, but the job is done and is acceptable in my opinion for what it is. We also went ahead and dropped down the bolt holes for the bolts that holds it to the bracket. Otherwise that would have touched the wheel as well. So we just sorted that out. So calipers are done on that section in that scenario. The next thing that we need to do, I need to make a bracket from here to the caliper. Not too difficult. I just did a PCD on the holes and measurements how far, and we can see that it's a half day's work. Then we should have those done as well. Then the calipers will be able to go straight onto my carrier. Then for that section, brakes are done until we have to do lines. If you haven't seen the videos, the shock is in there, amazing, love it. Good thing about the aluminium calipers is quite a few grams or kilograms lighter than the old ones. So everything here is weight. The weight is going down, and that is on unsprung weight. So that's a very good thing, I think. Hope you enjoy, and hit the subscribe button for us on the on YouTube, and also go and like our Facebook pages. Monday morning, new week coming, and we need to push next week.
I will start adding some of the CNC work in that we are doing, so that people can understand also how we do it and what we need to do to make certain stuff work, especially the way we are doing it with so many different parts from different vehicles into this build.